Welcome to Paris, the city of light, where every corner tells a story, and each moment is a masterpiece waiting to unfold. Join us as we take you on an immersive journey through the top 5 must-do activities in Paris, experiences that will make your trip unforgettable. No visit to Paris is complete without experiencing the majesty of the Eiffel Tower. Ascend to the summit and take in the sweeping, breathtaking views of the city. By day, the landscape stretches out to reveal iconic landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe and the shimmering Seine River. By night, the city transforms into a sea of twinkling lights, crowned by the illuminated tower itself. Capture unforgettable moments, savor the unique feeling of being atop this global icon, and indulge in the romance that only Paris can offer. Step into the world of timeless artistry at the Louvre Museum. This former royal palace holds over 35,000 works from ancient artifacts to Renaissance masterpieces. Navigate the grand halls and be captivated by the Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile, the elegance of the winged Victory of Samothrace, and the sheer power of Michelangelo's sculptures. Opt for a guided tour to unlock the secrets behind these revered pieces and explore lesser-known treasures that make the Louvre an unparalleled repository of human creativity. For a different perspective of Paris, embark on a serene Seine River cruise. Let the gentle current guide you past historical landmarks like Notre Dame Cathedral, whose detailed facade tells centuries of stories, and the impressive Musée d'Orsay, once a grand railway station and now a home for Impressionist art. As you glide under the city's ornate bridges, watch as Paris reveals its romantic side, each wave reflecting the city's timeless charm. Venture into the bohemian soul of Paris with a walking tour of Montmartre. This vibrant district has been the muse for countless artists, from Picasso to Monet. Wander through cobblestone streets lined with bustling cafes and watch artists at work in Place du Tertre ready to sketch your portrait. Marvel at the Sacré-Cœur Basilica as it towers above the city, offering one of the best panoramic views in all of Paris. A short trip from Paris takes you to the Grand Palace of Versailles, an emblem of opulence and history. Walk through the gilded Hall of Mirrors, where treaties were signed and power was displayed in the most spectacular fashion. Admire the intricately decorated rooms and learn about the lavish lives of Louis XIV and Marie Antoinette. The palace's gardens, a masterpiece in themselves, stretch endlessly with manicured paths, fountains, and sculptures. For a taste of local Parisian life, explore the vibrant street markets and indulge in a refreshing ice cream at Bertillon on Ile Saint-Louis. Stroll through market stalls bursting with fresh produce, handmade crafts, and unique Parisian trinkets, capturing the daily rhythm of the city. These top activities reveal the multifaceted beauty of Paris, blending history, art, and culture seamlessly. Whether it's from atop the Eiffel Tower or drifting down the Seine, Paris is a story that stays with you forever. We hope you enjoyed this detailed guide to Paris's top activities. Don't forget to check the links in the description to book your experiences. And if this video inspired your travel dreams, hit the like button and subscribe for more global adventures. À bientôt!